Many cooperative societies in Tindred, up to Soba, all over Tindred, almost the entire of Nandi is growing coffee. We want in this coffee cherry fund, Nandi County to be included, and I want to thank the government for increasing coffee, 1 kilo of coffee, from 20 shillings to 80 shillings. And I want to continue encouraging Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua to continue facing on the coffee and agricultural sector cartels who continue to threaten, Mr. Speaker, our farmers. And he should not fear, he should fear nothing. But Mr. Speaker, as a Christian, they always say, fear those who kill the soul, but don't fear who killed the body, Mr. Speaker. So I hope those reforms that the Deputy President will carry on in the agricultural sector, who has the blessings of the President, we shall be able to get value. Mr. Speaker, another issue is sugarcane. And Senator Eddy should be excited, Mr. Speaker, because the government has waived 117 billion to sugar factories that are owned by government. This will give a new lease of life, Mr. Speaker, to Mumias, to Chemelil, to Nzoia Sugar, all the sugar sector. 117 billion. And most of those regions, Mr. Speaker, are occupied by Azimio supporters. So you can see the president is non-discriminative in giving development across the country, Mr. Speaker. And then 1.07 billion will be paid to farmers of sugarcane. I know that Christmas will come early from the people from those regions, Mr. Speaker. I want to encourage them to use that 1.07 billion being paid to farmers to advance their planting. I don't want to see them adding more wives, adding more children, Mr. Speaker, or buying new toys or new cars or anything, Mr. Speaker, but be used in that aspect, Mr. Speaker. So on the agricultural front, because I just wanted to summarize on the agricultural front, Mr. Speaker, that is very important, and as farmers, we are very grateful to what they plan. And for us, Mr. Speaker, I want to encourage, even on our side, both minority and majority side, please find time to read our manifesto. I've always seen people commenting on issues where they have not read our manifesto. The plan is very clear. It's about the people. And finally, on the implementation on the issue of fishing landing site, Mr. Speaker, we need to ensure that there are fishing landing sites, like in Nyanza and coast regions. These are areas that voted against William Ruto in 2022 general election, Mr. Speaker. But these are the areas that the president has not in any way discriminated in terms of development. As we talk, Nyanza and coastal regions are getting fishing landing site, which shows the president is not discriminative to any region in terms of Mr. Speaker, finally on